Good morning. Today I'm in Tollo, not far from Pescara and Chieti. Yeah, I just want to show you something about this place. You can see the Gran Sasso mountain in the background. And of course, we have something. We have a street market. It's Friday. Every Friday they have a street market here. Well, Tollo is famous for winemaking. There is a famous winery here called Cantina Tollo. And you can see a lot of stands here. It's Christmas time. They sell everything, and it's very good. This is a small village, of course, and well, it's a place based on farming. As I said before, the place is famous for winemaking, and we can see a lot of people around. And this is a square. There is a tree. This is the town hall, this building here. And we can say that this place was completely destroyed by the Second World War. So the buildings you see here are not ancient, because 70% of the town was destroyed during bombing. Yeah, that was a key spot during the Second World War. And yes, of course, we can go towards the church. Even the church was severely damaged by the war. Well, they are also famous for a festival they do in August, the first week of August. And the festival is something, of course, that celebrates something that happened in the 16th century. The Turks were about to invade this part of Italy, and they said that the Holy Virgin appeared and scared them away. And every year the citizens celebrate this just with a ceremony which is particular. They, down there, they put up a tower, and they, of course, enact those particular dramatic moments they experienced a long time ago. I remember the market used to be here as well, but the birth rate is decreasing, and there are fewer and fewer people. As you can see, many people in the video are senior citizens. This means that, of course, Tollo is getting old. That's the church. It's up there. Yeah, I want to go up there. Yeah, this is another part of the market with flowers and food and stuff like that. Of course, you can see a monument. They are the victims of the Second World War. So let's go upstairs. Let's take a look at this part of Tollo. You can enjoy also a very interesting view from up here. That's the Mayella mountain. Yeah, you can have a glimpse from up here. And this is a kindergarten. Yeah, that's a beautiful park. There is also a museum here. It's a winemaking museum. They have things from the past. They have a lot of bottles of wine that are pretty old. Yeah, that's the church. And this is the view from here. Beautiful. We are in December, of course. Mountains are covered with snow. Some ruins of an ancient building. Another monument here in honor of the victims of all wars. And from up here, you have a valley, more precisely the Foro Valley, and you can see a tower, which is Francavilla. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and I'll see you in my next video.